Try to get our catfish bait. Let's see what we can get. Do some gizzard shad. Should we get gizzard shad or some skipjack, frozen skipjack? So I ended up going with the skipjack at my local tackle bait shop. Yeah, look at this drawing right here. The bass. That looks pretty cool. But let's get to the river. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with Fishing with Mike. Today we're going to be targeting catfish, as you can see. I got chicken liver today and also a piece of skipjack, so we're going to see what we catch today. Let's make us our first cast. On this rod, I'm going to be using a piece of skipjack that I just bought from the tackle store. Let's make us a cast. Let's see if we can hook a catfish today. I'm pretty excited. Got my catfish on this side. This one is the skipjack, and this one is the one with the chicken liver. Let's see what they'll bite first. I guess now we'll just wait. I guess now it's just the waiting game. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, I think I have a catfish. My rod is going crazy. Oh. I think I have one. Feels heavy. It's not coming in. Oh, I got one. Give me a GoPro, please. Catfish. Ooh, ooh, catfish. First catfish. Ooh, I don't think I got it. I got him by the tail. Ooh, catfish. Let me get down there where I'm busting my ass. Oh, he's going. I think he's living. Ooh. I think I'm going in the water. Catfish. You know, look. Nice. First catfish. Sweet. Let me see how I hooked him. Ooh, I hooked him by the tail. It's crazy. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, there we go. Oh, he went in. Let me see if I could get him. You got your pliers? Or your the clamps? Oh, crap, he went down here. Oh, I almost slipped. Oh. Let's see if I can get him. Oh. Crap. Yeah, ain't no way. He is too damn slimy. God damn, you serious? I can't get him. I'm trying to get him. Guys, I finally got him out the hole. He slipped and he went in there. Thanks, buddy. Get back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Off he goes. Whoo, guys. First catfish. I'm waiting on this one now. So I'm waiting on my catfish to buy. I'm working with the Texas rig. I'm finna make my first cat. Let's see if a fish will be interested in biting this juicy setup. Let's hope so. You got one? My buddy got one. Do you? Fighting a fish. It does look big because the fish hasn't come up. Where's it at? That might be your biggest PB. Oh! Keep on rolling. I'll help you. And put my rod out. Oh, let me make my way over there. Where's it at? Okay. That looks like a big one. Wow, that's a football. A bass. A big bass. I got it. Wow. Nice catch, Omar.
I recorded it. I didn't even have my camera on.
Nice. Let me hook. Oh, yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. For sure. Sweet, bro. Good job. Alright, so we're getting a weight on him. What's his weight?
Almost 2.5.
2.5. Close to 2.5. Wow, this looks like a real healthy fish. Wow. Good job, Omar. Give me some skin.
Appreciate that, bro.
Damn. Nice. Let's get a release, guys. Let's get a release on this fish. Get back in there. Thanks for biting. Good job, Omar. Fish on. Another one. What is it? Little bass. Ain't nothing too big, but enough to make it to YouTube. Got the catfish working. Fixing to throw this one again. I'm still waiting on my rods. I felt a little peck on this one, but we'll keep on waiting. I want to give a big shout out to my uncle Chona. Thanks for putting me on the catfish vibe. I caught one. It was pretty fun. Just fighting the catfish. It was a fun experience. Thanks, tío. Ahí para la otra vez se agarra uno más grande. Thanks. Guys, it's getting dark on me, so I'm fixing to wrap my video. I'm going to try catfishing again tomorrow. I gotta drive to the other side of town, so see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.